Court does call the case, People versus James Raggett.
So on behalf of the township.
Good afternoon, this is the public defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Raggett. Say your name, sir. Your Honor, this was has been adjourned because Mr. Raggett's doing an assessment for plea negotiation purposes. I have not received Mr. Raggett has completed it. I just haven't received it from Mr. Statman, who is completing it. So
November 19th, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continues. Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Court calls case, People versus Jarrell Sewell.
So on behalf of the township.
Good evening, Your Honor. J. Grant Miller, P58658, on behalf of Mr. Sewell, who is also on Zoom.
Sewell, state your name.
Jarrell Sewell.
Thank you, sir. All right, what are we doing?
Your Honor, I'll let the people go, Your Honor.
What are we doing?
Sir, this is a pretrial, and I haven't heard from you regarding this case. I didn't know you were of counsel. If your client is able to obtain a license, he'd be able to have a reduction to a civil infraction.
Your Honor, and I apologize, this is my first Pittsfield Township ticket case now that I've gone to Washtenaw. So my discovery request wasn't sent to the correct place. So I don't have the videos referenced in the paper discovery.
Got it. I'll adjourn this matter then to November 19th, 2025. Let you guys talk, let you get all the discovery.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Sewell.
Thank you.
The courtroom's tense today. Every seat's filled, and all eyes are on the bench as a new lineup of cases begins. You'll witness frustration, regret, and justice unfold, live. Each defendant brings a story, and every judge brings a lesson. From reckless driving to shocking bond decisions, these moments reveal just how quickly life can change inside these four walls. So buckle in, because what's coming next will leave you questioning how mercy and punishment really balance inside a courtroom.
Court calls case, People versus Kent Robinson.
So on behalf of the township.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with on behalf of Mr. Robinson, who
He's here.
I noticed the song.
Unmute. You need to turn on your camera, Mr. Robinson. Then state your name.
Ken Robinson.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Your Honor. We had discussed this, and Mr. Robinson was asking for an adjournment of a couple months. I believe he needs to financially get some stuff together, or November 19th, the court will bring us back then, but we are asking for an adjournment, so.
Well, I've been giving a lot of time. We need to get something done on this.
I understand.
So this will really be the last adjournment, but I'll make it to December 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you, sir.
All right. Thank you, sir.
You said December 3rd?
December 3rd.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. Court calls the case of People versus Christopher Slater.
So on behalf of the township.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with on behalf of Mr. Slater, who should be present via Zoom. Sir, present.
Mr. Slater?
Yes.
All right. Need a camera. Oh, there we go. All right. State your name, sir.
Christopher Slater.
Thank you. What are we doing?
And we're also requesting an adjournment in this matter. He and I did speak, and he is working on getting his license.
December 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Slater. Take care.
Thank you.
Court calls case People versus Jason Smith.
So on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Kearney on behalf of Mr. Smith. Mr. Smith, state your name for the record, please.
He's not here.
All right, no,
Jason Smith, no response.
no explanation as to appear today. I did speak with him. He's working on getting his license.
As the first defendant approaches, the tension thickens. You can almost hear the nervous shuffle of feet echo through the room. The judge's tone sharpens. No nonsense, no excuses. This isn't just another hearing. This is a wake-up call. Every word, every second could decide someone's freedom. Watch closely. These early minutes set the stage for the kind of discipline that defines this courtroom.
Bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond $5,000. I'll give a 10% privilege on that. That warrant will issue immediately. Court calls case of the people versus Wayne Telema.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Telema. Say your name, please, sir.
Yeah, Wayne Telemac.
You got him?
Yes.
Okay. All right, what are we doing?
Mr. Telema is waiting on a date before the Restoration Board. Once it gets that date, we can resolve this case. It's just a matter of receiving it.
Got it. Okay. I'll adjourn the matter then. December 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m.
Thank you.
Hopefully we'll get it by then. All right. Thank you, Mr. Telemac. Take care.
You too.
Court calls the case, People versus Stephen Trent.
Henry Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Trent. Your Honor, Mr. Trent has given me permission to admit responsibility on his behalf.
That's correct, Your Honor. And we'll get down to double parking if you accept the admission.
Here's where the courtroom's energy changes. The defendant thinks confidence will carry them through, but that confidence crumbles fast. Judges have heard every excuse, and this one's no different. You can feel the shift in the judge's posture, the rising impatience. This is a reminder, in a courtroom, honesty hits harder than attitude. And when that gavel drops, there's no going back.
And Ms. Perroni, client having given you authority to do so, do you admit responsibility to the fact that on February 5th, 2025, location of Ellsworth Road in Pittsfield Township, Washtenaw County, State of Michigan, that they double parked a motor vehicle?
Yes.
Court will accept the admission to count 2. Count 1 is dismissed. Fines and cost of $180. When can that be paid?
He's asking for 4 weeks, Your Honor.
Okay. Pay it by November 21st. Court calls case People versus Curie Vickerson.
Henry Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Vickerson. I do not have an explanation for the
Being no response, bench warrant will issue for defendant's failure to appear. Bond $5,000. 10%. That warrant will issue immediately. Court does call the case of the People versus Marius Warren.
Henry Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
This is Public Defender Nancy. With Mr. Warren. You would present via Zoom. Yes, sir. Sorry, can you say your whole name for the court? I apologize for interrupting you.
Marius Warren.
Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor. We're asking for an adjournment in this matter as well. I might be wrong, but I thought this was the first pre-trial. Okay, awesome. I'm asking for an adjournment so that Mr. Warren can work on getting his license.
Sometimes it's not about guilt, it's about choices. The judge stares straight through the defendant, reading the truth behind every pause. You can sense it, that mix of fear and regret. The courtroom falls silent as the verdict approaches. It's in these quiet moments you realize justice isn't always loud. Sometimes it's the silence that delivers the hardest blow.
November 19, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue. All right. Thank you, Mr. Warren.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Court calls the case of the People versus Shania Williams.
Henry Silver on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good afternoon, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Ms. Williams.
Ms. Williams, state your name, please.
Shania Williams.
Thank you.
Ms. Williams says she has paid off 3 tickets, has 2 more to go, 1 in Westland and 1 in Detroit. So she is making progress towards getting her license. I'm asking for an adjournment.
How much more time you need, Ms. Williams?
So, Okay, so with the one in Westland, it's like 5 tickets in one, which is 916, and then the one in Detroit is 150. So I'm gonna pay the one in Detroit off as soon as possible, and then I would say, honestly, I'm not good with timing, but I know I just started another job, so it's kind of like an on and off thing. So I've been trying to make it my priority to get it done.
Yeah, okay. In other words, you don't.
This one hits different. You can see the pain, not just from the defendant, but the family watching from the back row. Every sentence, every word from the judge carries weight. It's more than punishment. It's accountability. You can almost feel the courtroom holding its breath as the final words are spoken. This isn't entertainment. It's real, and it's powerful.
Oh, no, but that's all right. I'll give you the adjournment. I know you're working hard on it, so I'll adjourn it to December 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m. Let's see if we can get it done by then, okay?
Thank you, Mr. Simpson. Have a good day.
You do the same. Court calls the case, People versus Walter Woodard.
Under the sword on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Is that him? Okay.
Assistant Public Defender Natalie Pate with and on behalf of Mr. Woodard, who stands to my right. Please state your name for the record, sir.
Hello, Your Honor. Walter Woodard, Michael Woodard.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'm respectfully requesting an adjournment, candidly, as long as the court would possibly allow. Mr. Woodard states to me that what's keeping his license suspended is a situation involving a civil judgment, that he has been speaking with plaintiff's counsel regarding a payment plan that still needs to be filed to the court, and he is waiting on that.
And then you have to release.
Agreed to by the judge already.
Yes, but it needs to be filed with the court. So that before
they have to do the release with the court.
Yes.
Here comes the turning point. The moment that defines this session. The judge's patience has run out. The voice rises, echoing through the walls. The message is crystal clear. This courtroom won't tolerate arrogance, disrespect, or games. Justice is being served, raw and unfiltered. You can feel the gravity of the moment, the kind that sticks with you long after the video ends.
Is that civil judgment out of this court that's holding it, or is it out of another court?
I do not believe it's this court, Your Honor. Is it 14A1?
Yeah, I thought it was. I mean, I keep coming into this building with these clerks.
So, but, right, it may be that it's a 14A case. I was just wondering I wanted to make sure it wasn't a civil judgment somewhere else, but I got you.
No, it's in Washtenaw County, Your Honor.
So I'll adjourn the matter to December 3rd.
Thank you, Your Honor.
2025, 9 a.m.
You think they'll respond by then?
And let's hope.
Yes. Thank you, sir. We're all set for today.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Here's that.
Thank you.
Day in the neighborhood. Have a good day, ladies and gentlemen.
You too.
You too.
Thank you.
Court does call the case of the People versus Alan Trume.
Under the sword on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Good afternoon, Assistant Mark on behalf of Mr. Tremue. Say your name for the record, sir, please.
Alan Eugene Tremue here.
Okay.
Your Honor, so there are two cases set before you. One is a pretrial. If Your Honor wants to discuss that one first, he should have a valid license. And we ask that.
A license one,
If the court
yes, he has a valid license.
And excellent. I moved at count 2 in case 1535 of double parking. And of course, if you accept that admission, move to dismiss the original charge. In addition, if you accept that admission, I move to dismiss case 1536.
Got it.
And that's what makes courtroom justice unforgettable. Every ruling, every reaction, every raw emotion captured in real time. What you've seen today isn't just punishment, it's reality. Sometimes harsh, sometimes fair, but always true. If you found this as powerful as we did, stay tuned, because next time we're bringing you an even more unbelievable case straight from the courtroom floor. Subscribe, you won't want to miss what's coming.
Okay. Mr. Perry, that's what he wants to do.
Yes, Your Honor.
And sir, do you admit responsibility to the fact that you double parked a motor vehicle in Pittsfield Township on Ellsworth Road on the date of September 10th, 2025?
Yes, sir.
All right. Court will accept the admission to count 2. In 1535, count 1 is dismissed. And in the other case, 1536 is dismissed also. So that's fines and costs of $180. When can you get that paid?
In a few weeks, I can.
In a few weeks?
Yes, sir.
I don't know what few means, but can you get it paid by, say, November 7th?
Yes,
or you
sir.
need more time? You can?
Probably a little
Okay.
bit more time. I get a check every 2 weeks.
Gotcha. Okay, so you're looking at getting, I got you. So get it paid by November 21st.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Calls the case. People versus Kamani Word.
So on behalf of Pittsfield Township.
Kimani Word.
All right. So Word, you're here on an arraignment on a misdemeanor complaint.